How to learn. 1. Listen to the story. 2. Assess understanding. 3. Difficult word explanation. 4. Question review. 1. Listen to the story. Uncovering the truth, a brave stand against deception and corruption. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young man named Jack. He was hardworking, honest, and kind-hearted. Jack had always dreamed of starting his own business and becoming successful. He had saved every penny he could, and finally, he was able to open a small convenience store. Business was good, and Jack was happy. He had made many friends in the community, and people respected him for his honesty and integrity. However, one day, Jack's world was turned upside down. A new competitor had opened up a store just a few blocks away from Jack's. The new store was larger, better stocked, and offered lower prices. Jack couldn't understand how the new store was able to offer such low prices, but he refused to lower his own prices and compromise on the quality of his products. As time went on, Jack's business started to suffer. Customers were attracted to the new store's low prices, and Jack's sales started to decline. He couldn't compete with the new store and was struggling to keep his business afloat. One day, Jack decided to pay a visit to the new store to see what all the fuss was about. As soon as he walked in, he was shocked by what he saw. The new store was selling counterfeit products, and they were passing them off as the real thing. Jack realized that the new store was cheating its customers, and he knew he had to do something about it. He gathered all the evidence he could and reported the new store to the authorities. The new store was shut down, and the owner was arrested for fraud. Jack's business picked up again, and people started to appreciate him even more for his honesty and integrity. However, Jack's victory was short-lived. The owner of the new store was a powerful and influential person, and he was not happy with Jack. He threatened to ruin Jack's reputation and destroy his business if he did not back off. Jack refused to be intimidated, and he stood up to the corrupt store owner. He refused to be cheated or intimidated, and he was determined to protect his customers and his business. In the end, Jack's bravery and integrity won out, and he became a local hero. From that day on, Jack's business flourished, and he was respected by everyone in the community. He had proven that honesty and integrity are the keys to success, and that cheating never pays. And so, Jack lived happily ever after, a true champion of justice. 2. Assess understanding. 1. What was Jack's dream? 2. Where did Jack open his business? 3. What made Jack's business suffer? 4. What did Jack find when he visited the new store? 5. What did Jack do when he found out about the new store's fraud? 6. Was the new store owner happy with Jack? 7. Did Jack back off? 8. Was Jack successful in the end? 9. Was Jack respected by everyone in the community? 10. What was Jack's message to the community? 11. What happened to the new store? 12. Did Jack's business pick up again? 13. How did Jack become a local hero? 14. Did Jack live happily ever after? 15. What was the name of the story? 3. Difficult word explanation. Convenience store, a retail store that sells a limited range of everyday items, such as food, drinks, and household supplies. Example: Jack opened a small convenience store in the town. Competitor, a person or company that offers similar products or services as another and tries to win customers away from them. Example: the new store was Jack's competitor, offering lower prices and better stocked products. Counterfeit, fake or imitation goods made to look like the real thing. Example: Jack was shocked to discover that the new store was selling counterfeit products. Fraud, the crime of intentionally deceiving someone for personal gain. Example: the owner of the new store was arrested for fraud. Authorities, the people in a government or organization who have the power to enforce laws and make decisions. Example: Jack reported the new store to the authorities. Intimidated, made to feel frightened or nervous. Example: the owner of the new store threatened to intimidate Jack. Integrity, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Example: Jack was known for his honesty and integrity. Victory, the winning of a contest or battle. Example: Jack's victory over the corrupt store owner was short-lived. Influential, having the power to affect or change things. Example: the owner of the new store was a powerful and influential person. Champion, a person who supports a cause or fights for a particular issue. Example: Jack became a local hero and a champion of justice. Justice, fairness and righteousness, especially in the treatment of individuals under the law. Example: Jack stood up for justice by reporting the new store to the authorities. 4. Question review. 1. Jack's dream was to start his own business and become successful. 2. Jack opened his business in a small town. 3. Jack's business suffered because a new competitor opened a store with lower prices, and customers were attracted to it. 4. Jack found that the new store was selling counterfeit products and cheating its customers. 5. Jack gathered evidence and reported the new store to the authorities. 6. No. The new store owner was not happy with Jack and threatened to ruin his reputation and business. 7. No, Jack refused to be intimidated and stood up to the corrupt store owner. 8. Yes, Jack's bravery and integrity won out, and his business flourished. 9. Yes, Jack was respected by everyone in the community for his honesty and integrity. 10. Jack's message to the community was that honesty and integrity are the keys to success and that cheating never pays. 11. The new store was shut down and the owner was arrested for fraud. 12. Yes, Jack's business picked up again after the new store was shut down. 13. Jack became a local hero because of his bravery and integrity in standing up to the corrupt store owner. 14. Yes, Jack lived happily ever after as a true champion of justice. 15. The name of the story was Uncovering the Truth, a brave stand against deception and corruption.